Look at that tree with that huge burl in it.
Oh my gosh.
It's giant.
Steep drop off. Somebody's little home. Here's a couple more pieces of quartz here. It's got garnet on it. Side of the moss. Oh, there's the sun.
Look at that color.
That's fantastic. Here's a couple more pieces of quartz here. It's got garnet on it. There's a little bit of red, there's green, and then black. It's quartz, quartzite, and serpentine. Over here, that rock is sticking straight up, as is this one. They look like tombstones. Probably not though. Ooh, look at that drop.
Do you feel alive? Cosmic dust falls from the sky. Swing galactic, moving atoms in the masses, shooting stars above a sky made up of static. All their secrets an enigma, but the answers in the light where it all became reflected. Now the memories are stigma, all this energy compacted.
Here's some more of that rock with zircon, almond, garnet, and quartz. Comes right here on the side. And then all of that is moss, lichen, smooth moss. It's like a big old seat. You sit there with the backrest. Look how this tree fell.
Oh, you want to see a big one? Look at that grapevine. That is the biggest grapevine I've ever seen in my life.
Oh my God, I thought that was a tree. Whoa.
That is huge.
Geese are coming back up north. The trees, how they land, are interesting. Then they land on the rock. It's like a giant jungle gym. Cool, mushy. Bark. Let's go. Oh, it's coming. It's getting a little squirrely out there. So Mark just picked up this cool crystal right here at this tree. And it's golden healer, quartz. And there's a little bit of agate in there. But it's mainly golden healer and quartz. Looks like there's a little bit of corundum in there too. Where you see that purple? Here, some Mica-schist with some garnet in it. Okay. Oh, I thought it was gonna be like a buried bottle with like a note in it.